Okay, so here's how you install trailer lights in a Honda Accord. Once you've bought your wiring harness, and I'll put a link in the video description for the wiring harness. Basically, you need to pull back this stuff on the driver's side of the trunk, and there's going to be a connector, which is this thing right here, and you need to plug the wiring harness that you've purchased into this connector, and you kind of have to really, with mine I had to use considerable force to get these to go together. But once you do that, you're going to have to feed the connector down into this. There's a hole right here. You probably can't see it on the camera, but there's a hole right here with a rubber flap. Let's see if I can get the camera in there where you can see. There's a hole right there with a rubber flap, and you want to feed the cable down in there, the wires down in there. And then on the underside of the car, once you go underneath the car, you're feeding the wire down, it's going to appear down here, and then you can run the wire to to your hitch, and basically just zip tie it in place in certain areas so that it doesn't, you know, fall down when you're driving. But that's basically how you install a wiring harness for trailer lights for this is a 2001 Honda Accord, but this should work on a 98 to 2002. So that's how you do it. I will put a link for this wiring harness that I bought in the video description. So hopefully this is helpful to somebody. Thanks for watching.